Hi, I'm
Hi,
Samantha. What is your name?
my name is Anuj, and I'm
I'm
from India.
from India. Hi, nice to meet you. Anuj, am I pronouncing it correctly?
Yes, my name is Anuj, and
Anuj.
nice to meet you too.
Oh, thank you.
And how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you so much. So, how
Good.
was the day, Samantha?
I'm sorry, one more time?
How was your day?
Oh, well, it's still early morning for me,
Oh,
but
yes, right. Uh,
my morning is really great. I have my tea, and so I'm great. How
I'm
are you?
happy.
How was your day today?
It's been very nice, and it's been a working day, so it's been very nice.
Mm.
Thank you for asking. And I'm
Mm.
happy that you are very enthusiastic. Very
Oh.
enthusiastic. I
Thank you. Mhm.
I watched your introduction and I thought, let's have a conversation with Samantha. Why
Oh.
why not
Oh.
I why not I saw her before? It's too
Oh.
late to talk. Actually, I saw your profile on Cambly and it's random,
Mhm.
because sometimes tutors come online
Mhm.
because they just want to see any notifications or uh, online status, right? Whether everything is
Mhm.
okay or not. Sometimes because of scheduled time with the student,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
So I saw and I saw your profile randomly, and
Okay.
I I decided to visit. I watched your introduction, and I got a very enthusiastic lady. Yeah,
Oh, I'm so glad. Tell me, what do
yeah.
you do for a living?
Okay, so well, these days I'm a construction supervisor. Okay,
Mm?
yeah, so it's kind of civil engineering work.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, so workers work and they work under my supervision. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, so I have to pay attention on if they are working properly or not, if they are
Yes.
using the materials in proper ratio or particular ratio or not.
Mhm.
So something like that. So this is what I
Okay.
have to do, and yeah, this is something.
So,
It's actually my work these days, and
mhm.
part of my main work. I just try
Mhm.
to learn this language. I mean English language.
Mm. Mhm.
I wanna work on my US accent. So I decided to talk with native speakers.
Oh, I see. Okay. So that's why you want to learn English.
Yeah.
Yes, for work.
And not only this reason,
Mhm.
that when you learn a foreign language, it gives
Mhm.
you many chances to do more in your life.
Mhm. It's very true.
Yeah, you get new opportunities to uh, meet new people, to visit new places, new
Mm.
countries, right?
Yes.
Interact
Yes.
with new cultures. So
It's
it
very
really
true.
helps. It really helps. And not
Yes.
only, and I want to say that not only English language
Mhm.
is with every new language that you learn.
It is very true. Any new language you learn helps your brain to be more elastic. Mhm. So
Okay.
you can, yes, so you learn better, and it helps with um, mm, memory retention. Mhm.
Right.
Mhm.
So,
So
and what do you do apart from
I
tutoring?
I do this.
Is my question right or not?
uh, no, I understood your question. So we can say so. And how about you? How about you? What do you do? Um, So yeah, so I teach, and but I'm a singer, so I like to perform
Wow,
a lot. Yeah,
so cool.